The first thing you need to set up is your users. Click the View Users menu in the left panel, and a page like this will appear. You can search for existing users by typing their name in the search bar here. To add a new user, click the Add User button. Next, select their leader or manager, enter the user's full name, then fill in their email address, which will serve as their login username, and set a password. Please remember that the password must consist of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and have a minimum length of 6 characters. After that, scroll down slightly and configure the menus this user is allowed to access. You can determine exactly which menus should be available to them. These selected menus will subsequently appear in their left navigation panel. Click Save to store the changes. To edit an existing user, select the user you wish to modify and click the Edit button located in the far right column of the user list. Make any necessary changes to their data. If you do not wish to change their password, simply leave the password field blank. If you do want to update their password, fill in the password field accordingly. Once you're finished, click the Save Changes button.